Riding the waves of language. Unpacking, catching some waves. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a fun and vibrant phrase that's all about sun, sea, and surf, catching some waves. Whether you're a language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or just curious about English expressions, this video is for you. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of this exciting phrase. At its core, catching some waves is a phrase deeply rooted in the surfing culture. It literally means surfing or riding on the waves with a surfboard. But it's not just about the physical act. It's imbued with a sense of freedom, adventure, and connection with nature. When someone says they're going out to catch some waves, they're looking forward to the thrill of surfing and the joy it brings. Interestingly, like many phrases in English, catching some waves can also be used in a figurative sense. It can describe immersing oneself in an experience or going with the flow in life situations. For example, if someone says they're catching some waves in a new city, it could mean they're exploring and enjoying what the city has to offer, riding the wave of excitement and discovery. Now that you know what it means, let's talk about how to use catching some waves in conversation. It's perfect for informal settings, especially when talking about vacations, hobbies, or experiences. You can say, "I'm planning to catch some waves this weekend at the beach," or, "He's really good at catching some waves. He's been surfing since he was a kid." The phrase, catching some waves, also holds a special place in popular culture, especially in music, movies, and literature that celebrate the surfing lifestyle. It evokes images of sandy beaches, sunny skies, and the laid-back atmosphere of coastal areas. Its usage reflects a deep appreciation for nature's power and beauty, making it a favorite among surfers and beach lovers worldwide. We hope you enjoyed learning about the phrase, catching some waves, and feel inspired to use it in your conversations. Whether you're literally hitting the waves on a surfboard or just enjoying life's ride, this phrase encapsulates the essence of adventure and enjoyment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep catching those waves of learning and exploration.